How to delete multiple friends on Facebook. So if you want to delete multiple friends on Facebook, then first you just need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, you just need to go and search for facebook.com, and once you've logged into your account, now you just need to simply go for profile, which is on the upper right. Click on the profile and then click on your name again. Once you're on the profile, now you need to scroll down, and here you will have these options, right? So under these options, you just need to simply go for the option which is friends. Under friends, here you will have all of your friends, right? So for now, I only have one friend. So if you want to delete multiple friends on Facebook, then what you need to do is simply select a friend which you would like to delete, and here you will have friends option. Click on friends and then go for unfriend option, and once you tap on unfriend, you will remove that person on Facebook. And the other way is you can simply click on the three dots here, and then you can simply go for unfriend. So in this way, you can delete multiple friends on Facebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.